Okay friends, so inside Visual Studio, let's click on a new file and simply click Python file. Then go to File, again, Save As, and simply name it anything you want. In my case, I will call it DC for data containers -py and save. Py stands for Python. Close this, and now we can write Python inside Visual Studio Code. So the first concept for today is what we call variables. Think about them as a box that we can store values and data inside it. It's that simple. This value or data can be numbers, text, or whatever you want. In computers, these boxes are stored in memory while the application is running. This is what you have to know about variables. To create a variable, you simply choose a name like my name and then you say equals. So we created a box, a variable called my name, and now we want to add a value inside it. We want to put something inside this variable, which is my name. So I will say Hassan. When you want to add text, we use these double quotes. The second variable I want to create is a number. So let's say my age. Again, I can say equals. And now to add or create a number, we don't use double quotes. We simply set the value directly, for example, 32. This is how you create a variable in Python. It's that simple.